Hello, welcome back. In the last class, we learned the definition of project management, importance, characteristics, differences and methodologies. In today's class, we will learn project lifecycle and phases. Overview of the project lifecycle. Every project follows a structured sequence of phases from start to finish. This structured approach ensures that the project stays organized, well-managed, and aligned with its objectives. The 5 phases of the project lifecycle are: 1. Initiation, defining the project and securing approval. 2. Planning, developing a roadmap for execution. 3. Execution, carrying out project activities. 4. Monitoring and control, tracking progress and making adjustments. 5. Closure, finalizing and delivering the project. Each phase has specific activities, deliverables, and stakeholder involvement to ensure project success. Key activities in each phase. Phase 1. Initiation, project conception and approval. The initiation phase is where the project is defined, assessed, and authorized. The goal is to determine whether the project is feasible and valuable to the organization. Key activities. 1. Identifying project objectives and business case. 2. Conducting feasibility studies. 3. Identifying stakeholders, clients, team, sponsors. 4. Defining the project scope at a high level. 5. Creating a project charter, official project authorization document. 6. Securing project approval from executives or sponsors. Example: a company wants to develop a mobile banking app. During initiation, they assess whether the app is necessary, define its main features, and get approval from leadership. Phase 2. Planning, blueprint for success. The planning phase lays out a detailed roadmap of how the project will be executed, monitored, and completed. This is the most critical phase because poor planning leads to project failure. Key activities. 1. Defining detailed project scope, what's included and excluded. 2. Creating a work breakdown structure, WBS, breaking tasks into smaller components. 3. Estimating time, costs, and required resources. 4. Defining risk management strategies. 5. Developing a project schedule, e.g., using Gantt charts or agile sprints. 6. Assigning roles and responsibilities. Example: for the mobile banking app, planning would involve deciding on the technology stack, timeline, budget, and development milestones. Phase 3. Execution, implementing the plan. The execution phase is where the project plan comes to life. The project team carries out tasks according to the established roadmap. Key activities. 1. Allocating resources and assigning tasks. 2. Coordinating team activities and ensuring communication. 3. Developing and testing the product, service. 4. Managing stakeholder expectations. 5. Conducting regular team meetings and updates. 6. Addressing challenges and roadblocks. Example: developers start building the mobile banking app, designers create the user interface, and testers ensure functionality. Phase 4. Monitoring and control, tracking progress and adjusting. The monitoring and control phase happens simultaneously with execution to ensure the project stays on track. Key activities. 1. Measuring project performance against the baseline plan. 2. Identifying risks and implementing mitigation strategies. 3. Tracking budget and schedule deviations. 4. Communicating updates to stakeholders. 5. Adjusting the project plan if needed. Example: if development is delayed due to unforeseen technical challenges, the project manager might reallocate resources or adjust the timeline. Phase 5. Closure, project completion and handover. In the closure phase, the project is officially wrapped up, evaluated, and delivered to stakeholders or customers. Key activities. 1. Delivering the final product, service. 2. Documenting lessons learned and best practices. 3. Conducting project review meetings. 4. Obtaining client acceptance and sign-off. 5. Celebrating project success and releasing team members. Example: once the mobile banking app is launched, the team gathers feedback, fixes any final issues, and formally closes the project. Role of project stakeholders in the lifecycle. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in the project's success or failure. Their involvement varies across different phases. Stakeholder role in project lifecycle. 1. Project sponsor provides funding and strategic direction, initiation, closure. 2. Project manager oversees planning, execution, and monitoring, all phases. 3. Project team members carry out assigned tasks, execution. 4. Clients, customers, define expectations and give feedback, initiation, closure. 5. Vendors, suppliers, provide resources and services, planning, execution. Effective stakeholder engagement is crucial to ensuring project success and alignment with business goals. Case study. Real-world project lifecycle. Project. Launching an e-commerce website. Phase. Activities. 1. Initiation. Identifying the need for an e-commerce platform and getting approval. 2. Planning. Defining features, setting budget, and scheduling tasks. 3. Execution. Developers create the website, integrate payment systems. 4. Monitoring and control. Testing website performance and making improvements. 5. Closure. Launching the website, gathering user feedback, and closing the project. This example shows how each phase contributes to the overall success of a project. Conclusion. This class provided a comprehensive breakdown of the project lifecycle, detailing the 5 key phases, essential activities, stakeholder involvement, and real-world applications. Understanding these phases ensures project managers can effectively guide projects from start to finish, reducing risks and maximizing efficiency. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.